In and hold, mate. That's all it is.
Just melt it out.
Melt it out. Simple as that, isn't it?
That's it. Oh, little flick under there.
Yeah, I'm trying to stay on that line.
Oh, that's something pretty nasty.
G'day, guys. Got Ninja and Jace. The body. The body's back.
We're back, Ninja. What do we got today?
We're going to do a bit of hip flexor, a bit of TFL, is it?
Yeah,
or
a bit of
around
top of the quad, a bit of TFL. Yeah, I was just treating a client just before, and I was in a bit of a lunge pattern, and when I went to sort of try and move my hips forward into like almost stretching this area, it just felt like there was a bit of resistance. So thought I'd get Ninja to stick a thumb or elbow in it.
Yeah, so he said he feels it when he's lunging forward like that. On
yeah,
this
so
one.
when it's in a shortened state, it's all right. But when I tried to actually lengthen and stretch it and push that hip forward, there's a bit of gold right where you are now, Ninja.
So thought we'd just give it a bit of a treatment, and then once we've done a bit on here, we might be able to get the leg off the table and let it stretch out and kind of might be
bit of dynamic.
Bit of dynamic.
Oh, Ninja's favourite.
Dynamic.
Oh yeah, that's on it.
Yeah, so I'm kind of pinning up and under, and I can really hit that spot that he needs.
Yeah, that's right on there.
Yeah.
Good one.
On a dime, mate.
On a dime. Straight to it. He hasn't missed it.
Bit of detail.
Yeah.
Warm up was walking in.
Yeah, that's it.
Wasn't it?
Yeah. Oh, what's going on, Ninja? We got me around the other way on the table. Flip the room around.
Planning ahead. Got the light coming in this way, so I wanted
you're all about
access.
the light, aren't you?
Got to get the light right.
Yeah. Oh, that was a big flick.
Yeah, we're on this. We've got to. I reckon I've got a little bit of wax on my thumb. I can kind of take it down a little bit too. So there's probably not just one little spot. There might be a line of tension that I can kind of help Jace with. Get right in there.
Get me running faster tonight, Ninja.
Yeah.
If it's not pouring rain.
Yeah.
This might be my first test of what it's like if it's pouring rain and can I run or can I not.
Yeah.
So if it's only drizzly, I might be all right. But if she's pouring,
Go indoors.
might have to do an indoor beach muscle session or something.
Yeah. That'll help out higher up.
Yeah, at least I'll look good failing.
So after the boys come in June, we're training with you, I think, aren't we?
Oh, yeah, is that the plan?
Thursday nights will be.
Oh, really?
Might have to start with 500 metre reps or something and build out to 1K.
Yeah, you guys can do 500s and I'll run against each of you each 500.
Yeah.
That'll be a good way to test it out.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll need a bit of.
You might have to plug some shoes on for that one, Ninja.
Nah,
just keep
not me.
churning out the barefoots.
Yeah.
He's 6Ks, or if we're doing 6Ks worth of barefoot, it'd be
I'll
pretty.
have to build it up. That's what I was thinking, maybe 500 metre reps for start or 400 or something like that, just sort of get the conditioning in.
What are you going to do for high rocks? You have to wear shoes.
Yeah, I'll put the barefoot shoes
Chuck
on.
some Vivos.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Down that way. So we were discussing the other day that maybe at the end of the year we might do a bit of a teams event, like two of us versus the other two.
Yeah. Is it me and you against Jarson?
I don't know.
Jarson, Aaron, or
we'd have to sort of do a bit of an assessment and see who do we think's quicker out of each person, who's better at the strength stuff, and then we can work out so it'll be obviously you'll get the handicapping right, Ninja. Yeah. That's what we got to figure out because we want it to be a close race. So
yeah.
Who draws? Well, I think it'd be pretty close.
I'm the short straw.
No, I don't think you are. I reckon
I've got a bit of value to give.
I think you got some value. You got the dog in your Ninja. That's what you got. Yeah. The dog just won't die wondering. So
I'll have to do some walking lunges because.
No, that's all right. If I am with you, we know. Because it was similar to how I did it with Alice. Just go. All right, you just got to get 30% done because I'll smash out the other 70.
Yeah.
So if that's all we have to do, that's all what you can do though. You just don't have to split everything 50-50. So you might be better at doing sled push or sled pull or whatever, or everything else. Burpee broad jumps, I reckon you'd love them when you're Ninja.
Yeah, it'd be all right. Just the walking lunges were just hard.
I think you're all right in the moment, though. It's just the next day you're going to regret it. So I don't think you're that bad in the moment. You can still churn them out. You just hate them.
I used to do it. Yeah, they hurt when you're doing them too, don't they?
Yeah.
But I suppose if I did consistent training with them, I'd be right.
Yeah.
Even with our extra running we're doing, I've adjusted now and I'm right. But yeah, the initial 4 weeks is just pretty brutal, isn't it?
Yeah.
You're just not used to that soreness, in your recovery. So,
Yeah.
So yeah, it's not
Probably never trained lunges that much, have you? Other than like just
Nah.
some jump lunges or something like that in a circuit.
Yeah, that jump lunge squat is.
That's another of your favourite.
Yeah, nah.
How would you go with the 100 squat wall balls?
I think I'd be alright.
You've got to get your ass below your knees every time.
Yeah, I think I'd go alright.
There you go. You can bring it home with that. I'll take 70% of the lunges. You can take 70% of the squat wall balls.
Yeah. I've heard of people doing like 500 wall balls in a row and stuff. And just, just crazy.
Just to get good at it.
Just for one. Yeah, that's their session. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Boring.
Oh, fucking boring. Yeah.
Yeah, that's their thing. All right. So what I might do now is get you to wiggle over the side of the table.
Wiggle.
Might get that out of the road a little bit.
Yep. Let that hang.
Let it hang a bit. Probably the table's a bit low, but...
That's all right. I'll improvise.
Yeah. So you just tell me where you reckon.
I reckon you're on a good track. Maybe through the a bit of the quad like that. Maybe if you get a broader elbow, sort of. Yeah. Oh, that's
nasty. I'll try and go.
A bit bony.
Won't go too tight. Yeah, hit you.
You're right on it. Yeah.
Your spot.
Full on the bone.
From the bone ninja.
Relax that one there. What time would you be aiming for, Ninja? If it was you and I, what do you reckon we'd be aiming for time-wise? What would you be happy with for a high rocks?
I don't know it too well, but what would be good for us? You were aiming for like an hour and 5, hour and...
Probably more an hour 10, I reckon. I'm realising that I reckon an hour 2 is a bit ambitious, an hour 5, so hour 10 might even be pretty rough. But
even with the pairs, would we be aiming for that same kind of time?
I think it's easier with a pair because obviously the exercise you can get through a bit quicker because you're just both a bit fresher.
Yeah.
Where when you're by yourself, you sort of got to pace it a little bit more. Unless you're an absolute machine like some of the people are that do it. So
yeah. How's that feel?
Not too bad, actually. Yeah.
I think it's more where I was at the start.
I think so too.
I'm just going to do a bit of a flush through this line just so I can stretch that out for you. I think there is a little bit.
Yeah, there has been a bit through my quads in other weeks when I've been running and training. So
yeah.
Since I am increasing my lunging and walking lunges, so I've done the fencing back the last couple of weeks, so out the back here at Ferntree, which Ninja and I did. If you go back and look at one of our mini high rock sessions on our YouTube channel there, have a little look through.
Jace was killing me.
Oh, that was a bit of regretting in the spirit. He wasn't an inch when we did that day.
Yeah.
It was only a small run, but the lunges were bloody hard.
Yeah. Made him memory.
Yeah. You were cooked for like the next week.
Yeah, I was, man. I was really cooked.
Fully died. Oh, this is going to get
up in there.
Yeah.
Going a bit harder now. Hit his spot.
Yeah.
Under there. I'm going to fix ya.
Yeah.
Ninja. I'm going to fix ya. Pin and hold, mate. That's all it is.
Just melt it out.
Melt it out. Simple as that, isn't it?
That's it. Oh, little flick under there.
Yeah, oh, stay on that line.
Oh, that's something pretty nasty. Oh,
I reckon I can work it out for you, mate. Yeah, that's it. Run the good stuff.
Oh, there's another little
nugget there. Wait on that for you.
Oh.
Hang in there, man.
Hanging. Hanging.
Alright, I reckon
fixed.
Fixed.
I reckon that stroke just did it then.
Yeah.
Cleared it out.
The stroke.
Mr. Plough.
Mr. Plough, we ploughed it. We
There it
drenched
is.
Yeah.
Fixed.
There we are. So yeah, improvising a little bit and just really targeting what Jason exactly needed, and yeah, doing a little bit of a stretch, not too much of a stretch, but a little bit helps us access the spots and the targets the pain. Yeah, relevant to you, eh?
Done.
Yep.
Yep.
Done.
Stay tuned for our Irox training in a few months.
Yeah.
See you guys.
Done.